Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Energy Specialist. So this is just a quick little update. Zach is still in progress of doing the inverter install for Victron Energy system with some Xpion batteries. This is on a 2025 Coachmen Catalina. This coach hasn't even been used yet. This unit was purchased brand new and brought here to our shop and for this upgrade. And I'm just going to do a quick peek. Of course, he's not done with the batteries. We are actually installing 3 of these Xpion 360s that are 450 amp hour batteries. So these are pretty huge lithium batteries. There's 2 more in a compartment here. This was actually, as you can tell, it's underneath the stairway inside the coach, and it had a couch over here on the sidewall. And then of course here's some of the Victron stuff. I'm not sure, I know he's still in the process of wiring stuff up and getting it put together. I think he's planning on putting the not the MPPT, but the, oh shoot, I can't think of the name of them now. Multi-pluses, one on this side and one on this side, as well as building a shelf to put in another battery in here. So I'll check into that. If you wondered what tools we use a lot of DeWalt stuff, but I'll check in with that. I'll go pop in the inside real quick, see, so you can get an idea of how that looks all torn apart. And again, this is a Coachmen Catalina. It's a destination series, so it's actually a double bunk, so it's got 4 bunk beds. Here's a picture of the stairs. There's the wall and the coverings and all the railing is all down there where he's took them all apart. And he's in here. Like I said, here's a side view. So we'll get this all cleaned up, but he's had to take all the railing off. He's running all the wires through the roof and getting everything installed. Here's where the couch typically goes over in this area. Zach's got the radio on in the background, so hopefully you'll enjoy that tune. But we'll get out of here. But this is basically all the wood paneling and all that came off. I'm just getting out of here quick because I don't want the music to interfere with the YouTube video. But this is for copyright, this is a 42 condo version. And I think we were putting 12 solar panels on. I don't remember what the watts are on those, but I'll get more information. It's just a quick video. Some guys were saying, hey, what all you doing on this one? How's it coming? And I just wanted to let you know. And then there's the man, Zach, and obviously you can see he's making some battery cables for it. I just went in and did a quick little update video. Everything's looking good and coming along smoothly.
We're getting there.
All right, well, stay tuned for more, and we'll have a good one. This is Dustin, Energy Specialist.